guys. This is part 2 of PaperClip challenge. So I think I got something. I don't know. I don't remember. Oh yeah, I did. Off camera I traded the last items for something, and you guys will know shortly. Whee! Okay. And also off camera, somebody was getting at me because I apparently copied her username and not like usernames like right here. I mean by like the name tag. Hers was hashtag Black Lives Matter, and mine was hashtag Black Lives Matter, her exclamation mark, or point, whatever it's called. Yeah, this. And she was getting at me because I apparently copied her username when I was actually supporting it as well. Oh god. This server looks a little empty. Holy crap. Should we go to a different server? Oh, all the servers shut down. Ah, all the servers shut down. That's a bit of a... okay. Trade me, please. Okay. So, supernatural aliens, I don't even know how to spell that. Kingly kicks and supernatural hooperians along with 200 diamonds. Ooh, this is really cute. Okay, you guys might be wondering, this is probably not worth it, but I mean, who cares if it's just an item? I don't really like those items, so that's why I'm doing that. And let's trade this person. Okay, let's find it. Here it is. This weapon is actually really cute. Oh, okay. I'll do that. It's the most best trade ever I got. Maybe it's sarcastic. Maybe just being sarcastic, but that's just hilarious, so. But that's like, I like that. That's actually pretty funny. How are you? Okay. Ah, let me go! I do not like being abducted. No! Don't abduct me! Please! I don't want to be abducted. Abducted. If you know what I mean. Abducted. Yes. I don't want to be abducted. What the heck? I cannot even spell. I'm just messing my words up every single time. Just, I mean, like, hello there. That's kind of wrong. Sorry for if you guys hear the typing in the background, that's just me typing. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, no thank you. I honestly don't like the quiet sickness thingy. Let's see if she has something else. There's very many things I like, so she might get lucky or something. Okay. Sheesh. Oh, berry mist. I'm just pouring back the berry mist into the berry mist. How fun is that? Ha ha ha. Maybe nobody likes this headband. It's adorable and it actually can glow. It's so cute. I'm gonna have to accept it off the tray then. Headband and the Reaper. I'm going to do this headband and the Reaper. I have. Ooh, cute. But I think so. Actually, yeah, I think I have an offer. Maybe she wants this. I don't know if this is gonna get reworked. So if she doesn't want this, it might be getting reworked. So who knows? I actually like this skirt though. So, but I really like that one. So I'll see if she wants it. I like this thingy more than this thingy. I had this way when I started trading, when I was new at trading. Oh, she has that. Maybe she wants this. I really like this I really like this bag more than this one, this thingy. That's 3. Okay. Maybe she'll accept these 2. I mean, these 2 are pretty rare, kind of. They're not that rare. I have 1,000 diamonds. Yes, I have 1,000 diamonds. I'm afraid I don't, actually. I really like the Nightmare Witch hat though. The Nightmare Witch hat is actually pretty cute. And so is the earrings. I said it. Oh god, she has all of those? Huh. Let's see. Maybe she wants those? I might be overpaying a little bit. Oh, she already has them? Jeez. Oh. I'm sure. I guess so, since I have a duplicate. So, oh, what the heck? Well, oh god, that was kind of, okay. But you already have one. You already have a parasol. What the heck? Oof. Okay, let me just add those and the Reaper. I stepped up the trade a little bit because nobody literally wanted the headband, so I had to step it up with the Korayu Reaper. That Reaper is actually pretty cute. It would look cute with an outfit, but I can always get it again. It doesn't really matter. A reindeer ride. That's kind of in high demand, sort of. Not really. Oh, I don't really like the Lucky Ball pen, but I guess it'll work. Thank you. I knew if I just stepped it up a little bit, it would have worked out. So, because I got that straight. I cannot spell today. Not at all. Okay, the reindeer ride and the Lucky Ball pen. I really like the reindeer ride because you can just kidnap people. Oh, she already has the reindeer ride. That sucks. I'm pretty sure nobody would want that pen, so I'm gonna just go ahead and decline. Sorry, miss. I almost just assumed their gender. I feel horrible. I am a horrible human being. Holy frick. Okay, the Lucky Ball pen and the Ranger ride. Okay, let's see what we get. I sound really... No, she wouldn't accept that. There's no way she'd accept that. There's like, oh no. Oh, okay. I guess I'll offer the magical enchantress thingy, whatever it's called. And maybe the Dear Dolly back bow. And maybe this necklace. I have like horrible offers. Horrible. I'm talking about horrible. Maybe she accepts. Who the frick knows? Who the crap knows? Huh. Okay. Oh god. Oh my. Holy crap. Holy. But Jesus. Oh god. Okay, so I'm gonna be posting this one, and then we're going to be switching I'm gonna be switching servers and see what I'll get for this skirt. Let's hope we get a parasol, actually. Holy crap. That was